These niggas talking out of their neck, don't put no coffin out of yo. I'm way too paranoid, boy. Let's get it, bro. DOT, the money power, the last one is better. It's a lot of goofies with a check, I mean. I hope them sentiments symbolic. My temperament bipolar, I choose. Okay, let's get it up. It's time for him to pull that geezer. You niggas clicking up, but they not be legit, no party. I tell them, yeah, get up with me. No sneak this and first place shooter. I hope they came with 3. I crash out like fuck rap. This Melly Mel if I had to. Got 2 T's with me. I'm snatching chains and burning tattoos. Lost too many soldiers not to play it safe. If he walk around with a 6, it ain't Andre 3K. Think I won't drop the low K? I still got PTSD. Motherfucker, big 3. Nigga, it should beat me. Nigga, what? I'm really like that. And your best work is a light pack. Nigga, Prince out, live like Jack. Nigga, for all your dogs getting buried, that's the K with all these 9s. He gon' see Pet Cemetery.